If you have a bumpy lawn, the best thing to do is level it with topsoil. There are many ways to move this topsoil around to level out your lawn. You can use a 2x4, but that's a lot of work. The best thing to do is get a lawn leveling rake like the one I have here. This is from Hidalife, and this is their 10 by 30 inch model. They also have a 48 by 10 inch model, but in this situation, I don't think bigger is always better. This 30 by 10 is much more maneuverable than the larger 48 inch model. This particular model here comes in multiple pieces, so you do need to put it together. It's kind of like a giant mechano set, but it's really simple to put together and it's really easy. The best part about this that I like is the handle. It is adjustable, so you don't have to have it in this longest setting, which is 78 inches tall. You can remove any of these pieces to make it as short as you need, or back up to 78 inches if you need it to be that long. It's really easy to move this around. It's 10 pounds, so it is quite heavy, and it has to be that heavy so that it can actually level and move the topsoil around. The handle itself is really solid, and I'm really impressed with how well it moves this topsoil around. I've been using this to go around and level the area out and then put some more seed down. The handle swivels 180 degrees from side to side to allow you to move it from back and forth however you need to do it. The handle has no give in it. They're not screwed together. The handle's actually put together with these little pins here, so it's got a really solid connection. If you're looking to get a good quality leveling rake, I'll leave this one from Hida linked in the description below so you can get it for yourself. If you want to see more reviews on products around the home, check out this video here next.